Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap, gateway, local, and long-distance movers near me. Moving can be a grueling experience, but with 3 Movers, it doesn't have to be. Our highly trained professionals are committed to providing you with a seamless moving experience no matter the size of your move. We understand that every move is unique, so we offer customized solutions that fit your moving needs. Moving long distances may be a challenging experience, especially if you do it yourself. But with 3 Movers, your move can be seamless and hassle-free. Unlike local moves, long-distance moves require meticulous coordination and planning to ensure your belongings arrive safely. We understand the importance of keeping your belongings safe during a long-distance move at 3 Movers. Our highly qualified staff is equipped with the expertise to ensure your secure transportation. We do all these at the best price possible and within your budget, so you can entrust your moves to us and focus on settling into your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gateway Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.